Hello everybody. So this reading is going to be for Pisces for the month of July 2020, and it will be an overall reading because due to this situation I'm not doing any kind of particular reading till now, and so we will see an overall aspections what's happening and not for our Pisces. And please keep it in mind, it's a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you, so please take what resonates with you guys and leave the rest. And for private readings, all the details are in the description box, you can have a check. And till July 31st an offer is going on. You can get reading starting from 100 rupees. Like for the details you can message me or email me or WhatsApp me as you want. So you can check my Instagram for that and you will get the details over there. So please follow me on my Instagram. There also you will get free readings, mini readings. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with Pisces now. For July 2020 we will see where cards like what the cards are saying, so we will interpret in that way. Okay, so I'm feeling that you need some guidance, and or I'm also getting over here that you need some guidance. You have been guided by some elderly person, or some like father or grandfather or something, like with a strong masculine energy. It may be anyone, I'm not saying only that father or grandfather, as we all know that we all have masculine energies. It doesn't mean that we have to be a male. So or also I'm getting that some of you are guiding someone. Okay, you are guiding someone, you are being that strong personality, that strong masculine gender. Maybe you are a girl or a boy. Yeah, so either you are trying to create something or they are trying to create something. Actually two stories are coming out of this, so I'm saying correspondingly two stories only. So I'm feeling that that person was was feeling alone. They were just fighting, they were just not fighting with people, they were just fighting with their mind, that what's next, what should be done, and those kind of questions was coming in their mind. Or if it's you, then it was coming in your mind. But you have been helped by this father figure. Okay, so what I'm feeling from here is that you were trying to set up a commitment. Okay, you were trying to go for a commitment for which there was some kind of issues going on in your mind. You were not able to take the decision. So you know, like mind and heart both were not working in the same with the same thinking. Okay, maybe your mind says you should go for it, your heart says you should not go for it, or something like that was happening with you. But yes, with this Ace of Wands I'm seeing that you are going to settle for it. Okay, because someone is guiding you, and that person is guiding you to be on this. And I can also say that it's going to give you some kind of like it will be a success, some kind of success. Yeah, so you have to keep that faith. Okay, you have to keep that faith in order to achieve what you want. Okay, you have to keep that faith on that person who is helping you, or on universe too. Okay, you have to keep that faith. if you will nurture negative thoughts in your mind, that negative thoughts will get manifested very easily. So you have to keep it in mind and just keep faith and move on with what you feel to do. And with this person's guidance, definitely you will get what you want. Okay, we will see one more card for it. Yes, so the Emperor and the Empress both are here. So I'm seeing that some strong feminine energy is also present in your life, who is also guiding you. Or maybe I'm seeing the person is totally, I'm feeling a love reading, a relationship reading. So if the person you're dealing with, um, I'm talking about person that you are dealing with, I'm feeling that that person is do have a strong feminine energy. Okay, so yeah, it's also possible that that person is going to help you in your growth. Maybe it's financial growth or spiritual growth, that doesn't mean as of now. uh, but yeah, that person is just going to give you some growth. Okay, you will get some growth in your life for that person. So you will get some new vision in your life after you get that commitment. After you get into that commitment, you will get a new vision in your life which will help you for your growth. As I have said already, you are going to get a good growth in your life due to the person you will be dealing with. Okay, or you are going to commit with, you are going to get a good growth with that person. See within yourself what you want. Okay, at times it's also needed, because your heart is saying your heart is saying that what you want, and your mind is saying something different what you want. Okay, so first, you at least I mean, what I feel actually, and I'm sorry for this issues of not talking properly, because you know, you guys know well, Mercury retrograde is going on. So yeah, speech issues are there with me. So let's see. First of all is this turning in. With this turning in, I'm seeing very clearly that at times we need to do some you know, self-talk, self-observation, which will help us to know what we want actually in our life. Okay, because then we will get the clarity what we want in our life. With this trust card, I'm seeing two trust card is there. So you have to trust with the universe, you have to trust with this person who is helping you with the guidance. Okay, so you have to trust this person to give you some proper guidance, to give you some to show you some proper way where you can go and make that growth of yours. Okay, let's see what more is there. Also, I'm feeling one thing is that you guys have some kind of trust issues. I don't know why, but yeah, there is some trust issues going on. Maybe you have trust issue with that person who is guiding you, or you have trust issues with the person you're going to commit. And one more thing I'm saying you guys have some throat chakra issues. Okay, so heal that, do some affirmation or something and just heal that. Okay, first card is house. I feel a commitment. So there is two card of commitment and there is two card of trust. Number is 4, maybe uh, birth date or month, or however this number is connected with you or your partner. Okay, next is number 6, sorry, number 2, clover. Seeing that harmony is going to come in your life. Okay, once you will get committed, once you will follow the thing, harmony is going to come in your life. Peace is going to come in your life. Moon. Number 32, maybe this number is also connected with you or anyone in your, like your partner. Okay, it's connected with them. But I'm seeing that with the moon, your partner is going to be very spiritual. They moon, we say moon is the like it very much how can I say, like it's the feminine energy, right? So when the moon card came out over here, I feel that your partner is going to be very much spiritual, which is going to help, and very much intuitive too, which is very much going to help you to have a good growth in life. Okay, let's see what angel cards are saying. This reading is pretty much clear. Okay, you have to listen, you have to be aware of what's going on in your life, and you have to listen to people who are guiding you, because here it's very clear that they are saying something which is very much true for you, very much good for you, going to give you the success. And just try to have trust, do something for your trust issues, because that's creating a blockage, that's creating an obstacle, that's creating a blockage in your life. So just do something with that, work on it. Dreams, I guess I have received on daily readings also of today's. I have received dreams card for which one, which Pisces, or I don't know. Anyways, I didn't remember. You can go and check the daily readings. You will get it there. So dreams, you will get some answers in your dreams. Okay, so you need to be aware of it. You will get some answers in your dreams, so just be careful about it. Physical outlet, I won't say that go out and just roam around and all those kind of things, because I know the situation. So just go, do some walk, 10 minutes walk on your terrace or balcony or something like that. Just spend some time with nature. That's what I always say to my buddies. Just spend some time with nature. You will get much more positivity in your life. One more card. Okay, that's a lovely card for you guys. Make a wish. So just make a wish. If you have some special wish, if you're not getting the clarity, just make a wish and release it, and you will get your answer in your dreams. That's what I feel very strongly. Okay, so that's how you will get the answer of in your dreams. And if you feel like after seeing dreams, if you wake up, just write down the dream, and next day just see how it feels, what you have written, so you will get the answer what you are looking for. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the reading, and I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section how the reading resonates with you, and also let me know if you want any particular questions, like pick a card. You guys watch my videos but don't leave any comment, so please do it. I would love to read your comments and love to know your stories too. And also don't forget to check the 100 rupees reading details on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is there in the description. You can have a check and follow me there, and you can go for the reading. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. See you next time.